she like me. Wanna be my wifey. Shawty say she like me. Wanna be my wifey. Shawty say she like me. Wanna be my wifey. On me like a hype beast. On me like a Nike.
Alright, what is going on, guys? Stan Style back again with another video. I'm looking at my friend here. It's funny. It's weird doing intros in front of your homies. But anyways, for this video, guys, we got something different here. You know, I'm not doing stuff to the car right now. I have stuff planned. You guys are gonna see this video the weekend that I go and work on the TT and actually take the TT out. So trying to stay consistent with the weekly uploads. So we're just gonna do something a little random here. Not much car content, but it involves the car still. This garage is where I mainly keep the TT. I got this turf a while back. It just makes it look cool in here. Originally, it's kind of like, it's also very comfortable to lay on when you're laying under the car. It's not very good with like oil and stuff, but hopefully I don't really have to do anything that causes that. Look right here, we got a ton of that's from doing the oil changes and diff changes and all that. We have, this box is, I'm pretty sure, LEDs, and then this box is a bunch of black sheets. And so with me renting my place, I can't obviously go crazy on it and actually renovate it. So what we're gonna do is I got the big black sheets and I'm gonna nail them up all the way across. So it's all black here. It's gonna even tuck under the turf, so it'll be like green to black. Got those, and then I got a bunch of little LEDs that I'm gonna hang from back and forth. And then also, we're gonna go to Home Depot and actually get carpet for this side of the garage. So as you can see, it looks all ugly right now. We're gonna clean the floor. I'm gonna get all of this like airbrushed. A bunch of cool, I don't even know. I'm just gonna come up with designs and just chuck them on here. So when the TT's in here, it still looks pretty cool. Very first diffuser I bought for the car, I was like 17. I got this when I first put the blast pipes on the TT, and I had these hanging off the TT for like a week until one of them fell off, and then I never did it again. In this video, also, we might do an oil change to the Q7 just because I need to do that too, so it's a little bit more content. But yeah, I'm just going to pick up the camera, so hopefully you guys can just follow along with the little shit we got going on in my life. Alright guys, yeah, this is actually a day after the intro I just filmed here. I actually, the parts came in, so we're going to do oil change real quick on the Q7. We already have the intake off now because we did this intake. The filter is now accessible, and it is right here. And the even better part about this is we have this here extractor. So what the dealerships use, so they don't gotta get under the car and pull the splash pan off. We're gonna be able to just suck it out. Easiest oil change ever. Knock on, there's no wood that I can see right now. But yeah, let's get into this real quick, guys. So if you guys have never used one of these things, you pull where your dipstick goes, my fake dipstick. We're gonna have to get a real one eventually, but you put it down there, and it just starts sucking it right out of the pan. So I got this long tube and I'm shoving it in. That's about where she lands. Gonna feel me pumping. Oh yeah, that's awesome.
Now that you have it siphoned, you can leave that up and just let it go.
It'll just keep sucking.
Yeah, because it's already created the siphon. Most Volkswagens and Audis are 32 millimeter. I know Touaregs and this one are now 36 millimeter for that guy. Nice thing about this one is it probably drained most of it down into the block. Filter should come with it. Yep.
Alright, so we got a dirty filter. And we actually had to go to Napa to get a filter because Rock Auto sent my oil and my filter in a different package, and the one doesn't get here until next week, so.
That doesn't look like it's been changed in a long time.
The O-ring?
Yeah, look at the discoloration.
Oh yeah.
From the heat.
Scratch anything up. And there it goes.
It's gone. We got only the best.
Yeah, I got the glow stuff, guys. We got the liquid Molly Gen, so it freaking glows, which is cool. So it's gonna be
if you ever have oil leaks, you can put this stuff in and take black light to it, and it will show you exactly where it's leaking. This one
was pretty easy.
Is only one place you can put it.
All right, so we're gonna have this out, and yeah, she's black.
It's trying to vent.
So now I'm putting this oil filter back in. Guys, just so you guys can see me do this. Good to go.
All right.
Oh, get you. Goddamn.
Get your green snot in there.
That shit look actually crazy.
If it drips a little oil in my yard, whatever. That's just weed killer.
Boom. Quick oil change. Check the level. We're good. Boom. Now back to the garage. So I'm actually about to use the Q7 as the mode of transportation for this carpet. And yeah, I actually did lower it more, guys. Look. This is pretty much dialed now. It's pretty much even on both sides. We have a car full of influencers right now, guys. We have... Now you put your ad right here, boy.
I haven't posted any videos in a long time, but we doing fitness content, trying to look a little bit better on a cut right now. At Chew Almighty, got the double tags right there. I know how they do the videos, but then you got to go to the back. You got some
back. We got the influencers in the back. If you guys like hunting, fishing type shit like that, outdoorsman type, you know, reeling them in type shit. We got... Plug it.
at the Yackers.
Yes, sir.
Come on, man. You know, we all
on IG. The Yackers on IG.
Bass, trout, pretty much anything that catfish. You know, I'm on there. I'm on there.
He is on there. But yo, we actually got the whip full. I've never had people in the back like that. It's actually lit. But we headed to Home Depot. We gotta go get this carpet. We got the shop vac in the back. Chase. Guys, what's going on here?
Yeah, this is a peaceful protest.
Yo, this kid noticed in the last clip, look how red this kid is. No.
Shoe cam.
Hey, no, cut it the correct way. Oh, like a YouTuber. There you go. You can like zoom out too. It's a little zoomed in right now.
Oh, you guys see my bait?
Zoom out. Zoom out. Look at their signs. Fire Musk. Elon, stop laying off federal.
We're pushing it. Oh,
Yeah, he was.
This is what happens when you don't put sunscreen, no aloe, no nothing. This is all raw material right here. This is all pure sunlight, vitamin C. D, right? Is it D? What?
It's vitamin C.
What, the sun?
Alright guys, this is the section and it's looking pretty bare, I'm not gonna lie. Bro, I ain't gonna lie, I ain't got like anything right now, bro. Alright, well, so I knew Home Depot was an L. I ain't got shit. We're about to head to Lowe's real quick. We'll cut this when we get in Lowe's. Alright, we at a new spot. We at Lowe's. Color switch up from blue to orange or from orange to blue. This is where I got the turf last time, so we'll see what they got here. And if they got it, we'll pick it up. If not, I don't know what they're gonna do then. Make sure they're doing it right. Yeah, that though. You already know, yeah.
When you go to the gym, after you go to the gym, you gotta go to Lowe's, get you some carpet.
This is what we're gonna try to figure out here. We've got to fit as long as the car in here. I guess just feed it through the middle. All right, so this is what we're working with. Chase is back there, gonna make sure it's secure.
I got it. Guys, we're nelking right now.
The trunk's probably, it's gonna be beeping at me the whole time, but yeah, also y'all, if y'all check out this out, SQ7 on the dash now too. Funny moments occur on the way home. I'll pick up the camera. All right, so we successfully made it back, although I did curb the piss out of my wheel, but we're not gonna talk about that. All right, so we got the carpet. Right now, we're going to clean all this dirt out. I actually got some subframe bolts from back when I did the subframe on the freaking TT, but let's get cleaning. All right, so I got all this stuff right here that is all gonna get organized. Transition here, right? Quicker standing right here. Everything's gonna be good. Boom. All right, so we're organized here. My idea here, all the liquids and stuff I use, y'all know, paint, WD-40 PB blaster, random shelf. Here's actually the old aluminum subframe for the TT. Down here is just a grave of old parts for the TT. Here's actually my snapped motor mount that happened back in the day. Got the stock taillights, got the the Q7's intake. And then yeah, so we pretty much cleaned this up. Got us some springs, insane spacers, big size. OG color of the car. Y'all don't even know that era. I'm thinking I might move this. I'm not too sure though. Doing good so far, but we still got more to do. We still gotta get the rug out here, put the rug down here, move all this stuff back. Look what we just found, bro.
Sad, bro.
Why could I see you wearing that out?
Yeah, outside.
Here, so I know I'm not doing this.
This is
you know
my
what I'm
part.
saying?
I'm
This
the
is where
head
he
guy.
comes in for this. This is where I come for the motivational. So, motivational quote I'm gonna give you guys is hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard.
That's 12. That's 1.5 feet, guys.
18.
12 inches.
18 inches.
12 divided by 2 is 6. 12 plus 6. 18 inches. That's how you're gonna get it. Hey, let's see if this even cuts.
I don't think it's gonna. Ew.
Fuck. I can just mute it.
Yeah. Still got that tape. I measure this. 13 and a half.
Wow, so we went over 4.5 inches, guys.
Yeah.
Creepy. Went to the Booster Fair.
Oh, hell no, man. What?
Oh, that's a.
Yeah, you went way over.
What you got to say about that?
No.
That's too far.
Yes, just keep going straight from where you're at. So about like.
I might change what we talking about.
YouTube guys.
Yo. Oh, wait,
If this video gets 50 comments, I'm gonna stab them.
Oh, I didn't know this was for content. Turn me to the slut.
Oh, that's just hard.
Not as bad as I thought it was gonna be, but.
What if we just come out a little bit?
That's what I'm saying, and just straighten it off.
Yeah, here. Alright, so y'all just saw I couldn't play the audio because there's music playing, but we got that trimmed. Now we're gonna cut off a little bit right here so we can not have it be up so much. And then all we gotta do is cut it right here.
Oh, y'all know this.
Bro, I know, bro. That was like, that was like.
Yeah, let's see how that looks now. We might cut that.
We gotta cut a lot off of here. We don't want to cut that one too short.
Right. Still give a little bit of a buffer.
Their cut was, bro.
No, theirs was bad.
I thought they had Stinky
I thought they
Junior
were
with
gonna
the
pull it
ketchup
out
stain
and
on
cut
the
it so it was flat.
That looks the worst.
Low key, just cut that lip off and don't mess with the rest.
This is craftsmanship.
It looks.
Motherfucker, check me out though.
It looks better.
Check me out though. I'm halfway there until I.
No, he's about to drop that
How many
fire
subs do you
video.
need?
It's watch time. So people actually watch your whole video and no one does. You know what? I'm just gonna put this.
She's looking good though.
Yo, pause it. What do you think?
I think it looks alright. Not my best work, but you know.
Listen, he gave his all.
I didn't.
Alright, that's not bad.
Yeah, it's good.
Camera's not.
I guess it's because we did it.
Yo,
we can see
camera's
the
not. Camera's not
imperfections.
doing it justice. Orange justice. What he said.
Yo, hold that up.
When I was driving back, I fucking.
Alright guys, box opening here. Ta-da! Black curtains for wedding.
So guys, basically, this is the process. Yeah, this is about passion and creativity.
Take this other one. True, but he filmed his leg earlier.
Y'all get the idea of what we're doing here real quick. Sorry this video is all over the place. I just need to get a video out for you guys because I have to weekly uploads. So we're literally just going to grind this out real quick. We're doing thumbtacks. We're going to pin it all across here until all of these walls, at least from there to there, are black. And it's going to look absolutely sick. You guys see the carpet right now. This looks tough. A little bit of wrinkles and stuff. But this right here, I have this here because water always still does come in here. And I don't want this just catching water. But yeah, this is going to be a sick little hangout spot once we get the LEDs up here too. It's going to look sick. But I will get back to you guys right after we finish this. All right, guys. Y'all got to check this out. It's looking like a freaking movie set in here. Looks pretty sick. It looks, the car is going to look really cool just sitting in here with this background. But got this right here. We still got to pin this one up. He's getting that real quick. But then now we're checking out these LEDs and we're going to get these LEDs in here and organize all this stuff. It's going to look sick. So let's keep on going. All right, so we're putting all these LEDs. I'm definitely going to buy more. So this is not completely done. There's going to be a part 2 to this. We're just going to keep wrapping these lights back and forth all the way across. Just make a massive X. It's going to look sick just when we turn these lights off. All right, so yeah, this is definitely going to need more lights. I just wanted to get one kit and see what we got. But yeah, so basically, we're going to have this, and then the car is going to be under here. But with all these black walls, can't see. Honestly, should probably, dude, get some like UV paint or something. A little bit of UV light, whatever that black light paint. These lights are only $16 too, and you can do a bunch of stuff with them. So I'm just gonna keep getting more and keep tangling them and just make it look like a massive nest of lights, and maybe even bring them over here. All right, guys, short video. Sorry, but it's gonna have to happen if I'm keeping up with these weekly uploads. It's pretty hard because I'm not always doing something with the car during the week, and also parts come in late. So I was gonna do like a massive video on the Q7, but the parts don't get here till tomorrow, so that doesn't give me enough time to edit and get this video out for you guys on Saturday. So I don't even care if this video does well. It's just a little thing of what we got going here. Lights, tapestry. Before I actually end off this video, let's go pull the Q7 in here real quick and see what she looks like. I got this side, you get that side, bro.
Yeah, you're good. Right side, you're good.
Yeah. Long as shit. Way bigger than the TT.
Stepping
Tight
out.
as shit in here, but yo, the TT fits in here better. But this camera real quick, show this off. That's so cool.
That's lit.
Hey. So yeah, if I really wanted to work on this thing in here, you know, it'd be a little tight. But listen, I got space right here. You can get in the back. And honestly, got a bit of space right here. It's really tight in here. I hate working on cars in here, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. But overall, looks pretty sick in here. I previously said when I was about to start the intro, thank you guys for tuning in. Hard to keep up with the weekly uploads, but I'm gonna try my best for you guys. Q7's in the garage. Garage is looking a little bit better. Still got more planned. I drop a part 2, or that might just be included in whatever video gets included in. But hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. It was a weird one, but I appreciate you guys watching, and tune into the next one, because the next one, the TT, is gonna be on the streets. It's gonna be freaking awesome. Make sure you guys tune in next Saturday. This is this Saturday. I'll see you guys later.